A symphony of souls celebrating God's gift of diversity. God, in his infinite wisdom, created a world brimming with diversity. We are a tapestry of colors, cultures, and beliefs, each thread woven together to create a masterpiece of humanity. Just imagine a world where everyone looked the same, talked the same, and thought the same. How boring life would be. God, in his love, knew that variety would be the spice of life. He wanted us to experience the joy of difference, the wonder of unique perspectives, and the richness of diverse traditions. Our differences are not mistakes. They are divinely inspired. God saw the beauty in variety. He knew that our unique qualities would make the world a more vibrant and exciting place. Just like a garden filled with flowers of every hue, humanity is made more beautiful by our differences. We are like instruments in an orchestra, each playing a different note, yet together creating a harmonious melody. Our differences, far from dividing us, actually complement and complete us. When we embrace our diversity, we embrace God's vision for a world united in its beautiful variety. The ice cream parlor of humanity. Why variety is divine. Think of the world as a giant ice cream parlor. God has provided a flavor for everyone. Some of us love the sweetness of vanilla, while others crave the richness of chocolate. Some prefer the tang of strawberry, and others delight in the unique flavor of pistachio. Is one flavor better than another? Of course not. Each flavor is delicious in its own way, just like each person is special and valuable in their own right. God doesn't make mistakes. He made you exactly as you are, and he loves you for it. Imagine how boring it would be if everyone only liked vanilla. We would miss out on the joy of experiencing all the other amazing flavors. It's the same with people. Our differences make life interesting and exciting. Embrace the variety of humanity. Celebrate the unique qualities of each person you meet, for in their uniqueness, you will discover the beauty of God's creation. One family, many colors, embracing our shared heritage. We are all God's children, regardless of our race, ethnicity, or background. We are all part of one human family, descended from the same ancestors. To claim that one group is superior to another is to deny the fundamental truth of our shared heritage. God does not see color or creed. He sees the heart. He loves us all equally and unconditionally. He created us in his image, and he instilled in each of us the capacity for love, compassion, and kindness. Let us reject the voices of division and hate. Let us embrace the truth of our shared humanity. We are all brothers and sisters, children of the same loving God. Remember, God created us all equal in his eyes. Let us strive to see each other through his eyes, with love, acceptance, and understanding. Love, the key to heaven's gate. The path to heaven is paved with love, not hate. God is love, and he calls us to love one another as he has loved us. This love knows no bounds. It extends to all people, regardless of their beliefs, their backgrounds, or their choices. To hate another is to reject God's love. It is to choose darkness over light, division over unity, and despair over hope. God will not welcome those who spread hate and discord into his kingdom. Whether we call him God, Allah, Yahweh, or any other name, we are speaking of the same divine being, the source of all love and compassion. He yearns for us to live in peace and harmony, to love one another as he loves us. Let us choose love. Let us choose unity. Let us build bridges of understanding and compassion, for in doing so, we will create a world that reflects the love of God and secures our place in his eternal embrace. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Video production by Sam Molina.